Good afternoon, and welcome to World in 5, your trusted source for comprehensive coverage of today's most pressing events.
When the 46th President of the United States took the debate stage a week ago, it became apparent, even from his first answer, that this would not be the performance he hoped for. We asked Shelby reporting on this.
As a brain specialist, it was concerning to watch President Joe Biden, and it quickly became clear that I was not alone in my reaction. Over the past week, I received more than a dozen calls, texts, and emails from medical colleagues who, like me, specialize in neurology. It wasn't that what we noticed was necessarily new, but that it was particularly pronounced and right from the start of the debate. From a neurological standpoint, we were concerned with this confused rambling, sudden loss of concentration in the middle of a sentence, halting speech, and absence of facial animation, resulting at times in a flat, open-mouthed expression. To be clear, these are only observations, not in any way diagnostic of something deeper, and none of these doctors wish to suggest that was the case. Back to you, John.
Thanks for that update.
A new study suggests that people taking Ozempic or Wegovy may face an increased risk of developing a rare form of blindness. Last summer, doctors at Mass Eye and Ear observed a higher than usual number of patients experiencing non-arteritic anterior ischemic optic neuropathy, NION, a type of eye stroke resulting in sudden, painless vision loss in one eye. We have Anthony reporting on this.
While NION is rare, affecting up to 10 out of 100,000 people in the general population, the doctors noted an unusual cluster of 3 cases in 1 week, all involving patients on semaglutide medications. A review of 6 years of medical records indicated that individuals with diabetes were more than 4 times as likely to develop NION if they were using semaglutide, and those who were overweight or obese were more than 7 times as likely. The highest risk was observed within the first year of starting semaglutide treatment. Back to you, Bella.
Thanks for that update.
A 4th person in the United States has tested positive for H5 bird flu, linked to an ongoing outbreak among dairy cattle nationwide. We have Jensen reporting on this.
The Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment reported on Wednesday that the state has identified its first human case of H5 avian influenza associated with the multistate outbreak affecting dairy cattle. This brings the total number of human cases connected to the outbreak to 4. 2 others were reported in Michigan, and 1 in Texas. According to data from the state health department, over 25% of dairy herds in Colorado have reported cases of bird flu. As of Wednesday, federal data indicates that 7 states have confirmed cases in the past month, with Colorado accounting for 40% of them, more than any other state. The individual infected in Colorado experienced mild symptoms, specifically conjunctivitis, pink eye. According to state health officials, he worked at a dairy farm in northeast Colorado and had direct contact with dairy cattle infected with avian flu. Back to you, John.
Thanks for that update.
Experts suggest that adopting a plant-based diet can reduce your risk of chronic disease and promote longevity, while also benefiting the planet. We have Alana reporting on this.
However, simply opting for meat-free options like boxed macaroni and cheese, deep dish frozen veggie pizza, or fast food French fries, along with indulging in sugary desserts like donuts, doesn't guarantee health benefits. Cautioned Dwayne Meller, a registered dietitian and senior teaching fellow at Aston Medical School in Birmingham, United Kingdom. Meller emphasized, "We can't always assume plant-based means healthy, as after all sugar is plant-based. Many foods that do not contain animal products, such as biscuits, crisps, confectionery, and soft drinks, are technically plant-based but would not be considered essential as part of a healthy diet by the majority of people." Back to you, Bella.
Thanks for that update.
Thanks for tuning in to World in 5 for your daily dose of news and updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on breaking stories and insightful analysis.